Healthier Choices Management Company, HCMC stock is one of the most popular penny stocks in the stock market. Healthier Choice Management was up more than 100% in intraday trading after announcing it had raised $5 million in equity capital. Healthier Choices Management has two main business segments, grocery and vaping products. Today, we'll check out Healthier Choices Management Corp stock analysis. Number 6. Massive HCMC price prediction and analysis. Healthier Choices Management Corp has been one of the most popular stocks in the stock market as of late, increasing more than 2,000% in the matter of a couple of weeks. Healthier Choices Management Corp stock has been one of the most popular stocks in the market, and many investors still believe that there is massive upside left in this stock. If HCMC goes to $1 a share, this could offer over 250 times returns. HCMC is involved in many different catalysts that investors believe will help the company stock in the coming trading days. Just a quick overview on the company. They are health-based and they provide their customers with healthier lifestyle choices to everyday lifestyle choices. Number 5. HCMC stock huge potential? There are three aspects to this company. Their HCMC property holdings, their healthy choice markets with fresh and organic foods, and they do also have 9 vape shops. The stock ended the week up about 136% after hitting a high of up about 233% earlier in the week. I really like the potential here for this company, but also being a penny stock, there is always a risk associated with it. So make sure if you do decide to invest, to do enough research to be comfortable investing in HCMC. I do expect to see some steady growth going forward, and this dip in price looks to be a good entry point if you're thinking about starting a position. There are some good catalysts coming also for this stock, so I think there is potential here, and holding this stock seems to be a solid hold. Some of the upcoming catalysts for the stock earnings are on February 17th, which is not confirmed, but this is the date they are likely to announce earnings based on historical announcement days, as well as rumors surrounding their earnings. Even if this doesn't end up as the exact date, earnings are expected to be out very soon, and I'm expecting their earnings to beat expectations, which should give the stock some growth. Another upcoming factor is, of course, the lawsuit they are under currently, but I do have high hopes they're going to win this lawsuit, but there are always the chances they don't, which could affect the stock. Either way, if they win or lose, I think there is still long-term potential here. I think the lawsuit will just affect the stock price in the short term. If they win, I would expect us to keep rising, and if they lose, we could see a bit of a dip, which could be a good buy range if you're looking to hold long term. So overall, I think there is enough catalyst here to keep the stock price growing, and I think this dip in price could be a good opportunity to buy and try to capitalize on the upcoming catalyst, which they could end up being really good or bad, but I do like our odds. Number 4. Signals and Forecast. The 4 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Best Inc. have a median target of $2.56, with a high estimate of $4.83 and a low estimate of $1.49. The medium estimate represents a plus 43.67% increase from the last price of $1.78. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Healthier Choices Management Corp stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at 0.0012 and 0.0019. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 11, 2021, and so far it has fallen negative 77.78%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day while price remained unchanged. This may be an early warning, but it may also not. We still recommend that you pay attention over the next couple of days. No changes to the price of Healthier Choices Management Corp stock on the last trading day. Number 3, support, risk, and stop loss. Healthier Choices Management Company, HCMC, is one of the most popular stocks in the stock market right now and gaining massive interest from many investors. HCMC is currently involved in a lawsuit with Philip Morris, PM, and if this lawsuit goes well for HCMC, then we can see some positive price action with this stock. The one analyst offering 12-month price forecasts for Healthier Choices Management Corp have a medium target of $42 million, with a high estimate of $42 million and a low estimate of $42 million. The medium estimate represents a plus 3.82% increase from the last price. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition, the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 0.0001 between high and low, or 9.09%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 19.82%. Healthier Choices Management Corp is oversold on RSI 14. Some stocks may drop long and hard while being oversold on RSI before turning, which increases the general risk. Number 2. What is causing HCMC stock to plunge? Essentially, it looks like Philip Morris is looking to wash its hands of the lawsuit, and not through a settlement. Yesterday, it filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuit with prejudice in the United States District Court for the Northern District of the Georgia Atlantic Division. In that motion, Philip Morris says that Healthier Choices Management does not have grounds for its patent infringement lawsuit, outlining the nature of its patent for an electric combustion-inducing pipe. Philip Morris says its IQOS device does not function in the same way. This calls into question the mechanism by which its IQOS heat-not-burn process works. What does this mean for investors? The road ahead could be rocky. So much of the story for HCMC stock right now rests on the lawsuit. Keep a close eye on the proceedings and how Healthier Choices responds. And most importantly, make sure to do your own research so you understand the risk and reward balance at play with this high-flying equity. Number 1. Investor takeaway. The main driver behind the company's soaring share price seems to be high retail investor interest, which emerged a few weeks ago. Many investors seem convinced that Healthier Choices has a chance to win a patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris. Healthier Choices is a small retailer of organic groceries and vaping products that haven't managed to develop a profitable business so far. Back in November, the company launched a patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris. However, this move didn't attract interest from investors. Yet, for some reason, interest from retail investors has soared over the past few weeks, and so has the share price of Healthier Choices. I don't think this enthusiasm is likely to last for long, as the business of the company is likely to still be nearly worthless, and the chances to win the lawsuit are slim at best. The only major issue for the bear thesis is an unlikely scenario in which Healthier Choices manages to win its lawsuit against Philip Morris, or the latter enters into a settlement worth over $700 million. For many investors, the hope is that Philip Morris and Healthier Choices will settle the lawsuit in a way that is favorable for the smaller company. Let's not forget HCMC has remained in business since 1985, so this is not their first rodeo. Seasoned company just finally coming into its own. 2T infrastructure plan will rocket vape sales to well-paid construction workers, and PM settlement, along with many valuable patents, is only icing on the cake. Timing is everything, and HCMC's PPS time is about to explode. What you're seeing now is simply staging on the launch pad. Sales are increasing for HCMC. Buyers are still outweighing the sales. If this continues, there may be one more panic sell-off before longs take a huge bite at the outstanding shares. New movement should start soon. I've got funds waiting for a possible dip in the near future. See you all at the top when things start going northbound. Good luck, everyone. Let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on this stock? Is this stock overhyped? Thanks for watching.